Hi everyone, welcome back. So hopefully you were able to do the front page of your book as well as the first part, the first page. By accident, I wasn't able to record it. I thought I was recording and did the video and it didn't record, so let's try again. It says scientists need to wear blank to protect their eyes. Do you know what these are called? Think in your head. Maybe you've seen them in the summer. People can use these for swimming sometimes. Different kinds. If you said goggles, you are correct. And if not, that's okay. We're going to write goggles, lowercase g, O, G, G, L, E, S. So they wear goggles to protect their eyes. And generally when I'm teaching in class, I tell them to color the goggles their favorite color. My favorite color is yellow. So I'm going to color this yellow right now. And you can go ahead and color yours, whatever color you'd like, or many colors. These are your goggles. Okay. Next it says, draw a picture of you wearing these. Okay, so will draw my eyes first. Smile. And then I chose yellow. Kind of looks like I'm going to go swimming, but I'm not today. But maybe if I studied water or animals that live in the water, I would go swimming in the goggles, right? I'm going to put black around it so you can tell because my hair is yellow too. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to draw my body. You can draw your clothes, whatever clothes you'd like. And I'm going to keep mine white because generally scientists wear those white coats. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video if you're not done. When you're done, turn it back on. But if you're ready, you can continue right now with me. This says scientists blank. They use tools to look at things closely. So do any of you know what that's called? Maybe some of you do. It's called a microscope. And microscopes help you see really little things up close. So, and then it says they record their observations. That means they write what they're learning about in a book so that they keep track of what they're learning. And the word here is observe. It's lowercase o, B, S, E, R, V, E. Scientists observe. That means they're watching things. So maybe they're watching the stars or the sky. They're looking for patterns. And then they'll write down what they discover. So go ahead and color your pencil and your microscope. I'm just going to color mine green. You can color it whatever color you'd like. Microscopes are not really green, but that's okay. Because this is my little book. And you have your little book. Color it whatever you'd like. Okay, that's all for today. Bye everyone.